M.App Enterprise is a geospatial enterprise platform. With it, you can configure solutions to easily monitor real-world changes, evaluate the impact, and act on the results. For land, assets and infrastructure, public services, and more. Build rich client, web-based, and mobile apps that combine historic and live data. Connect to any spatial data source with its native format, with no conversion necessary, including file-based data, web services, databases, and ERP systems. Set up business workflows and rules that run daily in the enterprise environment, including workflows for field teams to capture information on mobile devices. Run spatial models with the geoprocessing engine with hundreds of functions, analytical routines, and algorithms, including machine learning. Administrators can assign roles and manage users out of the box or integrate with existing authentication systems. Field users can collect information, whether live or in disconnected mode. Business users can view and work with data in 2D maps, 3D models, and business intelligence widgets. Decision makers can analyze information to gain new insights. With M.App Enterprise, you can leverage the power of location intelligence for enterprise applications. Monitor, evaluate, and act.